friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car, Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Why don't we make a decorative pencil today? Alright Bubbles, let's go! For this, we will require origami papers, a fresh pencil, fevicol, scissor and a sharpener. Why don't you select the color you like and then make thick strips out of it. My favorite color is green and I'm going to take green color for my pencil. At first, we will put a small dot of glue on top of the pencil and start wrapping the strip on top of the pencil. We will go very slow while doing this. We will do this patiently. Let's wrap it around. Oh, don't wrap your finger with it. You just have to wrap the pencil. Let's put some glue and stick it on top of the pencil. Hold it for 2 minutes so that it's stuck properly. Now we will put glue at the same point and then start sticking another piece. All you have to do is turn your pencil round and round. This activity is so much fun. I am going to use this pencil to do my homework every day. Why don't we put some glue and then stick it once again? Oh, the paper is less, and why don't we take another piece and stick it again? Let's start with another strip of paper. Why don't we stick it patiently and complete the entire pencil sticking? This looks marvelous. Once we are done with that, we are going to take another piece of paper, which is colorful as well, and then start sticking thin strips on top of it. If you wish to, then you can even make another design you like. Now, we will start sticking this piece, but a little away from each other. I am having a lot of fun. Let's continue sticking the next piece as well. The pencil looks so colorful, isn't it? Now, let's take another piece of paper. Why don't you choose your favorite color? And let's fold it from the center. And then, cut it on the center line. We will get 2 pieces, and why don't we fold it into 2 equal parts? Alright, the place where it's opening, we will not draw our drawing there, but we will draw it on the other side. Why don't we make a single butterfly wing on one side? This looks great. Now, do you want to see magic? Okay, then let's cut it on top of this line and see the magic. Do you think we are going to get half a butterfly with this or a full butterfly? Well, we got a full butterfly, and why don't we trace it on another piece of paper and cut that as well? the butterfly is ready. Why don't we give it a beautiful outline? Yes, let's give it an outline and make the edges a little sharper. You can also try making another design if you want. Maybe hearts or smileys or even shapes like triangles and circles. Wow, the butterfly looks so cool! Let's go ahead with the other butterfly and give it the similar design. Once we are done with that, let's stick them together. We will only put glue on the center line and stick the other butterfly in the center. Yes, we will stick it from the folded part which is there in the middle of the butterfly's body. Great. Now why don't we take a small piece of paper which needs to be of a rectangular shape and then stick it on top of the pencil. Yes, something like this. After that, let's put glue on both the sides. And then it's time to stick it on top of our butterfly. Yes, let's try and stick it at the back of the butterfly. Something like this. Let's keep it on the table and stick it properly. This looks great. Now, let's make the wing a little proper. And look, our pencil is ready. You can do the same thing to your pen as well. It is so easy to draw, isn't it? Looks great.
Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video.
In the next video, we are going to make this folder diary and it is really simple to make it.